Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's do walking stick for blind. The aim of this project is to alert the blind person when the object is in front of him. Here we have used ultrasonic sensor to detect object and a buzzer to alert the blind person. These are the connecting wires and battery. Now let's do the connection. We have connected the ultrasonic sensor to the input 3 and the buzzer to the output 1. Connection is done. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will choose Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, I added ultrasonic sensor as input 3 and in output 1, I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. Distance with 3 condition. Click on Select this condition. In the distance 1 to 20 cm, in buzzer, I will select A on or off and the tone I will select 100%. Now click on Save. In the distance 21 to 40 cm, I will select D, beep warning. Now click on Save Settings. In the distance 40 above, in buzzer, I will choose A on or off and the tone I will keep it in 0%. Now click on Save Settings. So here the coding is done. Now in the walking stick for blind project, in the distance 1 to 20 cm means the object is far too near to the blind person's stick. So the buzzer will turn on in its 100%. In the distance 21 to 40 cm means the object is not too far and not too close. So it's in the middle. So we have to give a warning to the blind person so that he can get to know. So we kept in tone D as a warning. Another in distance 40 above means the object is far too far. Means the object is too far from the blind person's stick. So we don't need to turn on the buzzer. So we turn the buzzer off. So we kept in 0%. So like this, the walking stick for blind projects coding works. After the coding is done, click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Coding is done. Now let's test the project. We have tested our project. Now let's implement this in our model. Here we have finished the model work of our project. We have connected ultrasonic sensor at the bottom of the stick and a buzzer at the top of the stick. Now I'll show the demo.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.